Meaning of fib.
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 Fib. Fib is short for Fibonacci, a mathematical sequence where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. The sequence starts with 0 and 1, and goes 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, and so on. This sequence appears in many natural phenomena, such as the arrangement of leaves on a stem or the spirals of a seashell. It is also used in computer science, particularly in algorithms for searching and sorting data. The Fibonacci sequence has many interesting properties and applications in various fields.